and undertake either to acquire that land, then those people they return abnormal valuations in some cases. Because like you have heard the CEO saying, in this case there was
per acre. Then NLC went.
Once we have looked at the report from your National Land Commission, you can do that in the next 7 days, because this is work already done.
Last year, there's no way we could have compensated because we didn't have the money. But I can assure you now, after being restructured, this facility, I'm very confident that the money which is required to be paid and which remains outstanding, after you go through the due process, it will be paid in this financial year. And therefore, restart the project without any further delay. The DG Kenha will give you specifics in terms of those numbers. The other issue which delays this compensation, assuming there are funds, they have to be revalued. I mean, the land must be revalued, the properties must be revalued. Those numbers must be agreed with our sister agencies at the National Land Commission. And so that process takes long sometimes. And because of that, yes, there are some periods where we are seen like we are taking too long in terms of compensation. But because of the due process, which basically we have to go through.
And the area that we have comprehensively looked at, the compensation, is between Sabeti River to Rironi Bridge. That is lot C3C. And on that road, that's where the compensation was coming to about 6.4 billion shillings. The other areas, National Commission was still working on areas by the time we were actually giving this report, and therefore I don't have the specific. But I can say, in total, we are saying to range between 14 to 15 billion.